Pankuri, how are you?
Namaste, sir. Very good, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good as usual, but I'm feeling, today very happy because I'm talking to old students.
Sir, even I am happy for this opportunity to talk with you.
Very good, Pankuri. So can you please introduce yourself, Pankuri?
Yes, sir. My name is Pankuri Jain, and I'm staying in Mumbai. And I did this teachers training course from Bodhi from February to March.
Okay, what's your academics?
Sir, I'm an engineer. I've done engineering in IT.
Okay.
And I worked 8 years.
Oh, you worked 8 years in IT?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So tell me, one benefit or two benefits what you got after finishing yoga teacher training course?
Sir, it has given me many benefits. So first of all, it has given me the confidence to teach, and it has improved my flexibility and strength, improved my strength. Earlier, I was not having arm strength at all. As you know, most of the girls, we are not using this arm strength. So now I'm having a very good arm strength as compared to what I was having previously.
Super. So physically you become stronger.
Yes, sir.
Flexible.
And sir, my anxiety has reduced, my anger issues. I used to get angry very easily. So now it's not the case. Now my husband is getting angry, but not me.
He must be surprised to see changes.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Fantastic. So you finished February, March student.
Yes, sir.
And 2 months you took training.
Yes, sir.
What was the last date of the training?
So last date was around 7th April.
And now are you teaching?
Yes, sir. From the next day itself, I started teaching. From 8th April onwards, I'm teaching.
Immediately?
Yes, sir. I was so confident after doing this course. I started teaching. I couldn't wait for a single day.
Fantastic. How many students you have got?
Sir, 6 students.
So almost it's approximately 1 month completed. You have 6 students.
Yes, sir.
See, trust me, Pankuri, most of the trainers' statistics is like this only. First 1 to 2 months, you will have 5 to 10 people. That's it.
Yeah.
And then chain reaction will start 3rd month or 4th month onwards. Tap, you will climb.
Yes, sir.
And how are you feeling? Now you are teaching, you become a yoga teacher. How is your, joy or, happiness?
Sir, there is no bound to my joy. I'm so happy I have started earning good. I mean, I worked in IT, but there was a lot of stress in IT, and I didn't want to continue in that stressful environment, traveling so much for 2-3 hours daily, then coming back home tired and not feeling energetic or joyful at all. But in this profession, I'm so happy. It gives me a different kind of pleasure. So I'm very happy earning. Now I can give gifts to my husband. It's not like giving gifts with his money. Now I can give gifts from my money.
Super. Recently, last month, I think I released one video. I mentioned in the video stating that you give pocket money to your husband.
Yes.
Why? Let us change the game now.
Yes, sir.
One student got angry. How can you say this? I said, what is the wrong in that?
There's nothing wrong, sir. Very true.
She says you are talking biased, this thing. I said, I'm sorry. My intention is that not to depend on husbands.
Right. So very true, sir.
Husband, he will have his own EMIs, children education, children future. So you become a supporter and you help the family, you earn money. See, asking husband money, sometimes I have seen some students say, sir, my husband, I asked, some 5,000 for my parents, he's not giving. If husband says no, that is so bad.
It is very bad. You should not be dependent. Yes, sir. So it is a must for every Indian woman. Yes.
So it is a financial independence.
Yes, sir.
Now that gives for any wife, you will become mother soon. And that having some revenue is so confidence in life.
Yes, sir.
And now if a mother is confident and if mother is happy, mother is joyful, the fruits will go to children.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Fantastic. So in that 6 students, are they getting any health benefits or any changes are happening in their life?
Yes, sir. One of my students, she told me the second day only she messaged me and told me that she is getting relief from her back pain. Second day. So I was so surprised. Even I didn't expect that. That second day only she will get benefit from her back pain. And one other student, she messaged me and called me especially that I like the relaxation part the most. Like these days, all people are having so much anxiety issues in their lives, stressful lives. They're working and working, no time to relax. So that 10 minutes or 5 minutes relaxation also, no, they feel like they forget every tension and they feel very happy. So 2-3 students told me for this relaxation part, not the asana, but the relaxation part.
See, every yoga teacher has to program their mind more than asana. We have to give focus more on pranayama, relaxation, meditation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
So, since you enjoyed relaxation during teacher training, so you're teaching.
Yes, sir.
You know why first day itself she got relief from back pain? Shall I tell you the secret?
Yes, sir.
See, mostly the stress is the pain, back pain, neck pain, and the lower back pain is due to stress. So little Surya Namaskara, little warm up, and little relaxation will release 90% tensions.
Yes, sir. Right.
So
right.
immediately, I have seen at least 1,000 people who got relief within couple of days.
Correct.
Yeah. So it's
fully agree, sir.
That is a thing is fuel for us. Do you know what is that fuel? The students come and say, madam, my back pain is reduced. Thank you so much. Somebody says, yes. Madam, now you are saying, see, after doing 2 months course, you are saying your anxiety has come down.
Yes, sir.
By mistake, you go start using medication. What will be your future?
Sir, very bad. With medicines, it cannot continue for long. It has many side effects.
And you don't know now, you're a newly married person, you have to go for children, etc. All problems will start.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Fantastic. I'm very happy to hear from you, Pankuri. And
same here, sir. It was very nice talking to you.
Take a sankalpa that in next 3 to 6 months, you have to have minimum 50 students.
Okay, sir.
So we will organize, some more interactive sessions with all people like you, trainers like you who are teaching. So I will give you more tips. I will have more sessions because I'm telling you, future is ours, Pankuri. We are going to do yoga teachers. The fitness means future yoga. Mental fitness means yoga. Emotional fitness means yoga. Spiritual progress means yoga. And online.
Yes, sir.
You don't need to go anywhere. Students need not to go anywhere. Sitting at home, you take care of your health. And we need just a small 10 by 10 small room.
Right, sir. Very true.
Yeah. So all the best, Pankuri. Yes. I'm very happy to talk to you. And God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.
We'll keep in touch, Pankuri.
Yes, sir.